This is Mina Barsoom with CDOCS, and welcome to the tip of the day. Today I want to talk a little bit about marketing, specifically when it comes to aligner therapy in your practice. One of the things we've been doing for years in our practice is we have custom-made aligner boxes and retainer boxes, and we've always used our practice branding as part of the marketing that we do for aligner therapy. So one of the things I decided to do recently was create a custom case presentation box for the first visit when we do our Sure Smile cases. So I found this website called uprinting.com, and you're able to custom design a box to whatever specifications and sizes you want, and put your logo and branding and everything on it. So we designed this box on the screen, and what this does for us is it gives us something, and it's about 6.6 inches square and about 1.7 inches tall. And the beauty of this box is we can then put their aligners in there, the chewies, the removal tools, any of the cleaning items, anything like that in the box directly, and give it to the patient on that first visit. I think it just gives a more premium feel to the aligner case, and it's one nice thing that we can do to help separate our brand from other practices. They're not inexpensive. They're about $7 a box, so we just kind of have to plan for that as part of your marketing budget. But again, these are just a nice cardstock thickness option to create if it's something that you want to introduce as a marketing piece in your practice. So hopefully this video was helpful. We look forward to seeing you again soon in future videos. Take care.